Aflatoxin has been a major problem, that has impacted on our crops in Nigeria, and has limited us in different ways. Most especially on the issue of trade and health as well. It has been impacting on our crops for quite a long time, but unfortunately, the knowledge with regards to aflatoxin was very limited until some years ago, and that has not actually given the right kind of impetus that is required for us as a nation to act as expected. But of late, the country has seen how important this is, especially on the impact on health that has to do with children, adults, in terms of stunting and diverse other implications, which include liver problem as well in both animal and human. But at the same time as well also on trade, because the Nigerian government has diversified the economy beyond the mono economy of oil to see agro economy as one of the leading aspect of the diversification. And to do this, for both domestic and international trade, it requires that we ensure that our level of compliance in terms of food standard meets what is required in different countries. So with high level of aflatoxin in some of our crops, this has become a bit of a challenge. So what we have done, as an institution and as a CGIAR, is to look at the integrated management approach for aflatoxin in Nigeria. And as a result of the management approach, we came up with a biological control, and that was worked on for several years by several national and international scientists. And this biocontrol is referred to as Aflatoxin, and this is now being used generally within the country to reduce aflatoxin in our crops, particularly on maize and groundnut. The effectiveness of this aflatoxin has been very great because it's shown to reduce aflatoxin level by over 90%. We've experimented, and I would just say this is beyond experiment now. We've implemented a project for close to around 6 years now, working with close to around 45,000 smallholder maize farmers in Nigeria, using a private sector driven approach. 45,000 farmers with 24 companies. And for all these years, farmers have seen a great reduction in the aflatoxin level in their crops. And aside that as well, I've also been able to engage with high-end users of maize that has bought these maize and paid premium for the reduction in aflatoxin, most particularly by the poultry industry and the food industry within the country as well. So this is, to me, is quite a great achievement to see that what is causing health issue, what is limiting us in terms of trade. CGIAR has worked so hard to help support the government of this country, and not just Nigeria alone now, because this same approach that has been adopted in Nigeria has now translated to use in more than 10 other African countries. So we are grateful to CGIAR.